Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So this is going to be a jewelry making video with the Spider Queen design kit that was sent to me by the Softflex company. I did an unboxing of this kit, so you can check that video out before this, and I will list it at the end. You can check it out and see, all the goodies that came in there. It's a short little video, but here's a listing of all the items that came in the kit. It's a monthly kit. It retails for $33.95, and it's a different theme every month. And this particular month, because of Halloween, it's called the Spider Queen. Okay. I don't normally work with any type of Halloween anything really, but I can challenge myself, and we're going to make something really pretty. I had an idea to make a necklace. So I pulled out all the items that I got. And yeah, so we're going to try to make some pretty jewelry. Okay. Now you do have enough stuff in this kit to make, I don't know. It depends on what you're making. You can make 3 or 4 pieces of jewelry, maybe 5. You can definitely make a bunch of earrings. You can make a lot of stuff. So the only thing that you're going to need is your tools and, anything else additional that you want to use, like jump rings or eye pins, head pins, things like that. But mostly everything comes in the kit that you're going to need. So I did have an idea. I pulled out my bead board. I had to dust it off. I pulled it out. So I think I'm going to do a choker style necklace. That's kind of what I had in my mind to do. But we'll see. Well, I'll put it together. I'll lay it out. I'll look at it. And if it looks great, I will string it and, show you the finished product. So it came with this beautiful sort of purple wire. It's a mediums wire. Flex wire. All right. And it's really pretty. That's a pretty color, right? So I thought that would be pretty. And then it has these beautiful beads. I'm going to open these. Okay. I'm going to open those. Actually, let's do that now. Let's go ahead and open them. I'm going to put them in my little tray here. So pretty. I think I lost one. One flew. I got to find it. So yeah, that's a beautiful bead mix. And look at the spider. That's so cute. So we're going to see what we can come up with. With all these pretty beads. All right, very pretty. I love the spacers. So the rhinestone spacers, the rhinestone beads are beautiful. I love bling. So we're going to go ahead and try to make something really cute. All right, now it does come with the crimp beads. I pulled up my crimp tool here, and it comes with some ear hooks and some charms. So let's go ahead and pull out these charms and let's take a look. All right, so we have some spider webs and a couple of spider charms and some ear hooks. So yeah, for all the Halloween queens out here. So I'm going to put those right here. And it has a jump ring. So, I mean, a jump ring. It has a lobster claw. It has a lobster claw. Put these here. You get 2, you get, let's see, the ear wires in that gunmetal color. All right, so got those. Now we'll put all the findings out. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay my pattern out like I like to do. And then I will go from there. Sometimes I don't really know what I'm going to make until I sort of lay everything out, and then I'll change it or whatever, according to, how I want it to look. So I have such pretty colors here. I love these. So I'm going to use these. I like these white ones too. These AB finish, these check polish glass beads. I love those. So I have those. I'm not sure about these. I'm not sure. I like them, but I don't know. We'll see. Right? Let's see. You see those? Wait, can I hold it right? Yeah, these. Right? So I love those. So let me go ahead and take these off, and I will do a layout, and then when we come back, I'll show you what I did. So I decided I'm going to go with the 20-inch size. I think that'll be great for a choker. And then by the time you put the jump ring on it, it should be about 21. So that'll be great. All right. So we'll go with that. Okay. I have to find here, I'm going to use one of these for yeah, those are cool. Let me see. Let me look through this mix, y'all. They got a lot of nice beads in this mix here. All right, so I'm going to put these on here because these are going to be sort of the main ones that I show here, main ones that I use, but we'll see. Because if they don't go with the motif, we're going to change it. Okay. Now, let me see. Let's see. What can we do? All right. Let me see. You got more charms in here. You got 1, 2, 3 more charms inside of the mix. All right. So we're going to make this eclectic like I like to make. All right. So, all right. Let me go ahead and do my layout. All right. 3. All right. Okay. So I did my layout here. And this is what I came up with. And what I'm going to do is I sort of made a dangle. All right. I did a dangle. Kind of did it off camera just because I wanted to see how it looked first before I put it on there. And I'm going to put it right here in the center. It's going to be beautiful. So this is the layout. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I used almost all of the beads. I used almost all the black ones and all of the check purple ones, check glass beads. But I still have 3 more strands left, guys. Look at that. I still have a bunch left and then a bunch of stuff left for other stuff. Earrings, I can make a bracelet or whatever, you know. And I have plenty of charms left. So what I'm going to do is check this out. We're going to put this dangle here at the very end. Oh, it's going to be cute, y'all. It's going to be so cute. So our little spider is going to go there. All right. So I'm going to string this and we're going to hang it. I'm going to just attach the lobster claw, which is right here. Okay. And yeah, I probably need another ring over here. I'm going to see. I don't think this will go through here. Let me check it before I put it on here. So I'm going to have to find another ring for a closure. All right. But other than that, it looks great. So I'm going to start stringing it anyway. I'm going to just attach it at this side. And then when I get to here, I'm just going to put a ring on it so I can close it, you know. Let's see. So I'm going to put my crimp beads on first. Put your crimp beads on first. Okay. Hang on. And then you put your lobster claw on. Okay. And then you just string it through. Now let's see. Because this wire is medium, it may or may not go through, and it should. But sometimes, depending on how small the bead is or small the crimp tube is, sometimes it does not go through. Okay. So just be aware of that. All right, so I just pull that through, and then what I'm going to do is just pull this wire. So I'm going to pull it, you know, a good ways in. That's probably a little too much, but it's okay. I'm going to cut it off anyway, you know. So, because you want to be able to thread this shorter wire through the beads, okay. So for that added security, so I'm going to go ahead and crimp these, and then we will string our beads. So this is what it looks like for people who aren't familiar. There you go. All right. Take my crimp tool. They're closed. So let's go ahead and start stringing the beads. All right. Put that over there. All right. Once I'm done, I will come back and then we will finish this off. All right. So I just wanted to show you, this is actually a fairly simple, easy project of making necklaces. It's the best way I know how to make them. I mean, there's many ways to make necklaces, but you know, using the soft flex wire is very, very easy, you know, very easy. All right, so, you know, just string them along. Okay. So, now that I have these on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little short piece and I'm going to shove them through these other beads. We're going to start doing that before we get any further. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Pull those through, pull it through. And probably do it all the way down if you want to, you know, don't want to cut that much off. So yeah, make sure it doesn't bunch up on you. Just thread it through. Okay, let's see if it'll go through here. Might have to shove it in there. There you go. It went in there. And these goes through easily. Okay. And then here, this one's getting lost. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. All right, so, and that's the way it looks. Okay, thread it through. All right, let me go ahead and finish this up and I'll be back to finish it off. All right, so I strung the beads up on the wire here, and I put the second wire through all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it here because I can hide it inside of the spacer. So I'm just going to cut it down here at the bottom, and it'll tuck behind that bead, and we won't even see it, right? So just like that. See? Perfect. It hides it very well. All right, so you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. You can't even see it. So continue on stringing your beads, and yeah, go from there. All right, so with this dangle here, I am going to use a jump ring. I'm going to close it up. Okay. I want to close it up. You rock it back and forth. And then I'm going to just put the spacer back on the wire. So, I mean, you could wire wrap it around there, but I didn't do that. So this is how we're going to do it for now. So that's what we're going to do. That way it's already on there. We don't have to fight with it, you know, because if you do it after, it's a little harder to do. So it's best to do it before, you know, make your dangles before. We'll see how it looks. Either way, you know, well, before we finish it off, we will see how it looks. And if we don't like the way it looks or the way it hangs or something, we can always take it off. Okay, so the necklace is mostly finished. I had to find a little, you know, ring on the end because that's what I wanted. But you could just, you know, loop the wire and attach your clasp to the wire. That's one way to do it. But I wanted another little piece on the end there. So I found that, and then I just put the threaded the wire through the beads. And I'm going to cut this off like I did the other side. Cut it down as far as you can get it. Okay. Okay, there we go. See, done and done. And then you do it like this. Again, you can always add some chain here on your end of your, you know, your ring or your wire or whatever to make it longer. So that way, you know, you can wear it with different lengths, like I mentioned. So it's kind of short. I wanted a choker, so it is definitely a choker. Or probably a smaller person. So when I wear it, if I wear it, I'm going to need to add that extender on there, right? So now how I'm going to finish this off is I'm going to attach my little spider. I thought about this one. I think that's cool. All right. All right, attach there, close it back. And there you go. All right. Ooh, that's cute. Let's see. Let's make sure it hangs the right way because you want it to be facing you, facing out. Oh, yeah, that's cool. And you know what else I thought about? I thought about, I'm going to move this stuff in a second here. Let me attach this here. So there you go. That's beautiful. Oh, look at that. You can't see it. I'm going to move it around so we can see it. I thought about adding, I don't know. Let's see. Let's add it and see if we like it. I don't know. Might be too much. Is it too much? Y'all don't always ask that. And yeah. Sometimes it is, you know, and sometimes it isn't. So we want our charm to face out. So we're going to put a ring in there like that. And I'm just going to attach it like that to the front. All right. And close up the jump ring. Now, if you want to do this, you're probably going to have to add your own eye pins or head pins or your own jump rings, okay? So let's take a look at the necklace. Well, first of all, let me show you before we finish this. All right, so before I show you the finished necklace, you still have lots of wire left over to make other pieces. You can make earrings or bracelets or even another necklace. Look at all the beads you have left. Like I still have 3 full strands beads. Okay, 3 full strands beads. I use a lot of beads on this one. I have all these extra beads over here and still some findings and some crimp beads. I have all those left to make whatever else I want. And I still have some more charms and ear hooks. I have 2 pairs of ear hooks, so I can make 2 more pairs of earrings. You literally can probably make 2 pairs of earrings, a necklace, and probably maybe a bracelet left, you know, out of this. You know, that's 4 pieces of jewelry for one kit. That's a really good deal, I think. Because if you try to buy 4 pieces of jewelry, it's going to be very expensive, you know? So that's what you have left, all right? So you have all this stuff left. Now let's look at the piece. All right, so here's the finished piece. It's really pretty, really, really cool looking. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you were inspired to order a kit and make something fabulous. Again, I have all this other stuff left over that I can make other pieces with. So that's cool. You know, that's great. I love these. These are so pretty. So I may make some earrings to go with this or something. I'm not sure yet, but I really like this. Again, you can wear this sort of, I think something like this, you can, it's so cool looking. You can wear it year round. Okay. So I hope that you were inspired to order yourself a kit and make some really cool jewelry. Again, it's called the Spider Queen Design Kit by the Soft Flex Company. I will put all the links that you need down in the description to order. So I thank Soft Flex for sending me yet another beautiful kit, and I had fun making this. This is a little bit of a challenge for me because I don't generally work with this type of stuff. So that's great. You know, it's really cool. It came out beautifully, really beautiful. A choker necklace with a dangle on it, really pretty. I think I mentioned a couple times you can wear this sort of, I would wear something like this year round, you know. If you was, you know, if you wanted to, you don't have to wear it just at Halloween. Maybe change the charms or something out and it looks really good. So I think that's cool. I like, you know, the versatility of it. So it's really, really nice. All right. So that concludes the video. I thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below and I'll answer, get back to you. Give me a follow on my social media. I am at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagram for my jewelry. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.